Hi, I'm Russ. I'm here today to show you how to adjust a cabinet door in and out. Let's get started. Okay, adjusting cabinet doors. Before you start adjusting the door, it's important to step back from the cabinet and have a good look and see what's actually going on, what doesn't look quite right. When I step back from this cabinet, my shut lines, so the gap between this door and this door looks parallel. That looks good. If I crouch down here, I can see that the bottom of my door is in line with the adjacent doors, but something just still doesn't look quite right about it. When I come and look a little bit closer, I step to the side, I can see that when I look at this door, I can see that this door is more proud than this door. So we need to make this door, and also when I touch the door, I can feel that it's springing, and this one feels quite solid. So the first thing to check, now that we've identified what the issue is when you open the door, there's a little rubber bumper here on the back of the door. You need to make sure that that's in place, because if it's not, the door will appear to be out of adjustment, but it's actually adjusted fine. It's just missing the bumper, which is making the door feel like this, and sometimes has a bit of a tap sound when you shut the cabinet. Okay, so now we've identified what the issue is. We want to move the bottom half of this door in so that the cabinetry isn't like this. The cabinetry is more in line. I'm going to open the door up. Inside of here is the adjustments for the hinges. You're going to need a posi screwdriver, just like this one. It's the adjuster at the back of the mechanism towards the inside of the cabinet. Now, with all of our adjusting, you always want to adjust half a turn at a time. When I turn the screwdriver clockwise, it makes the door go into the cabinet, and when I turn the screwdriver anti-clockwise, it makes it come out. So I know I want to turn this clockwise. I'm just going to do half a turn there. I'm going to shut the door. It still has some bounce here, but when I come over and look, I can definitely see that we're not like this anymore. But we're not quite in line yet. So I'm just going to open the door again. Take my screwdriver, turn it again. Now when I close the door, I still have a little bit of bounce here in the door compared to this one. But when I look at these two doors, they're now in line. Sometimes it's necessary to adjust the top hinge on the door in the opposite corner. Because the hinges are mounted on one side of the door, if you adjust this hinge in and out, or that one, it will actually, if I adjust this hinge, it will actually pitch the door this way. So if I want this part of the door and the cabinet to go in a little bit more, I'm just going to adjust the top of the hinge. So once again, with your screwdriver, it's the one towards the back of the hinge, towards the inside of the cabinet. Now I want this door to come out, so I'm just going to turn that anti-clockwise just a little bit. The door moved. Now I'm going to shut the door, and now I don't have any of that bouncing that was going on before. And once again, when you're finished, always step back, have a look at your adjustments. Yeah, that looks much better. That's how you do it.